I experienced one of the most exciting moments, most scintillating moments. So after filming a wedding on Saturday, I was exhausted because it wasn't easy, when it comes to wedding destination and other things. It's really work. Yes, work. I was reminded that the GTCO Food and Drinks Festival was still on, and the next day was the last day. Down to earth, I was having the second thought because I'm really tired of jumping buses. So I was thinking, if there's traffic, is it going to rain, blah blah blah. And at the end of the day, I decided to go. Looking for BRT, and we waited for about 30 to 45 minutes standing waiting for BRT. And this is normal for them. I don't know. Is there any way to alert these people that whenever we want to go out, when it comes to public buses owned by government, it should be efficient and smooth. It should be active, not be waiting for 30-40 minutes because we are going to the highland. It's not fair.
Why they video everything?
Which one is on the top? You don't pass.
No, you don't. One side.
I and my friend alighted from the BRT in CMS and then took another bus to a roundabout around that side and find our way to Oniru. So this is how the journey started after waiting for hours for BRT. It's not fair on we living in the mainland. Well, partially outside land, of course. Lagos State, you can't be forming mega city up and be delaying people going to work. You can do better. Thank you. So we got to Victoria Island where the event is taking place, and trust me, look at the massive crowd. It was mental. GTCO Food and Drink Festival is an annual food exhibition and sales event that projects the diverse angles of the food industries. Besides the exhibition, other aspects of events include culinary experiences such as food and wine tastings, cooking master classes with renowned international and Nigerian chefs, and musical entertainment. The venue has been held at Legally Ayanride Water Corporation area of Oniru, Lekki, Victoria Island since its inception. GT Bank Food and Drink is a multi-day annual Lagos food festival sponsored by Guarantee Trust Bank. The maiden edition was held in 2016. At the event, buyers connect with sellers in food and drink industry from different parts of Nigeria and other countries. Food exhibitors showcase and sell diverse food products ranging from fresh organic groceries to dry foods, confectionery, pastries, consumables, crockery, wine and champagnes. Fact has it that it is Africa's largest food fair event, which has featured celebrity chefs and foodies from Nigeria and other parts of the world. So first thing I noticed as a guy with a tunnel vision of sight and heart, I saw a lot of ladies. Hey! This is more of like a 70-30 something, like a balance something. 70% for females and 30% for males. It can't be as if now women love food pass. Maybe that's why the kitchen is made for them. Basically, the fair is an avenue for entrepreneurs in the food industry to meet potential clients and share their businesses with the world. The fair also shows the significance of the food industry to economic development. So with over 200 vendor stores where businesses were showcased, to over 250,000 foodies in attendance, to the cooking masterclass of cuisines chosen from all around the world. So this year event is for 3 days and today is the 3rd day. Let me show you around. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also tell me your best meal when you attended this event in any of the 3 days. So while filming, I saw some familiar faces, my colleague at work, then some beautiful couples I did the wedding shoot for with a friend, and also some celebrities.
I see the high, but the high won't confuse.
People were just coming in and going out, It is always advisable that when one is going for an event as this kind, it is expected you take care of your belongings. For this Lagos, nobody sent your papa. Someone was even carried away with the excitement and didn't know the whereabouts of his child. Some persons dropped off their ATM card, some misplaced their phone,
so you
And
don't
funny
lose
as this
them.
may sound,
ATM
they were
cards,
all found by the
phones, and
officials in
everything,
check.
including your kids.
Well organized, I can
Please
tell
make
you
sure-
for free. So it was an awesome event and also my first time in attendance. Yeah. Next year we go again. I wouldn't miss it. Thank you.
Basket on the mix.
This your love, baby. In the best.
It isn't easy. After we've trekked, although we didn't enter Uber, but we decided to. Local man is tired. So this is a BRT going back to Abulegba. Then from Abulegba, we jump bus again. This is what happens to you when you live in outside land. You know, there are 3 types of land in Lagos State. There is mainland, there is island, and there is outside land. Outside land, Ikorodu, Ekpe, Badagry, Alagbado. Then mainland, you'll be hearing Yaba, Ibutimeta, Ikeja. Then island, you'll be hearing Ikoyi, Eko Hotel area. Then going to Aja. Somehow say Aja is outside land because the road is different. The difference is the road. Let's go there now. Kuli kuli. They have kuli kuli here. Oh. Coconut gari. Granite. Chin chin. There's chin chin. Gari Ijebu.
We are here to sell.
Come and buy, sir. After today, no more.
You can reach us on 080-3307-2975. Online, you're the Kuli Kuli and that's Eshu Bini Bini Kefobi.